keep your Pella windows looking beautiful for years to come, proper cleaning and maintenance is key. Most homeowners think that the best way to clean their windows is with a popular glass cleaner, but the best glass cleaning solution is a premixed vinegar-based solution that does not contain ammonia or alcohol. You can create your own vinegar solution by mixing 1 cup of white vinegar with 10 cups of water. For a streak-free clean, we recommend using a lint-free microfiber cloth to clean your windows at least twice per year. To clean the interior of casement and awning windows, spray the window with a vinegar-based solution and simply wipe clean. To clean the exterior, unlock and fully open the window. Use the gap available on select product lines to clean the outside glass and frame from inside. Close and lock your window. To clean the interior of double-hung windows, spray the window with a vinegar-based solution and wipe clean. To clean the exterior of double-hung windows while inside your home, use the tilt wash feature. Unlock, open slightly, and tilt the bottom sash toward you. Spray and wipe clean. With the bottom sash resting on the window trim, lower the top sash, tilt in, and wipe clean. To clean both interior and exterior window frames, use warm, soapy water on a rag and avoid any abrasive chemicals. And to clean window screens, we recommend vacuuming them with an upholstery brush attachment. Remember that cleaning methods will vary for each product type and product line. Always refer to your owner's manual for detailed instructions on how to properly operate your windows.